Hey there, welcome back to Ecommerce Blend. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to choose the right WordPress theme for your website. Your website's theme is the foundation of its design and functionality, so it's important to choose the right one to ensure that your website looks great and functions well. The first step in choosing the right WordPress theme is to identify your website's needs. What kind of websites are you building? Is it an e-commerce store, a blog, or a portfolio site, or something else? So if I'm building an e-commerce store, I will have to search the e-commerce store themes. If I'm making a blog, I can search for blog themes. If I'm making a portfolio site, I can search for portfolio. So basically, it depends what features and functionality do you need for your websites to have. Make a list of these requirements to help you narrow down your options. Once you have identified your needs, the next step is to consider the design and customization options available with each theme. Look for a theme that has a design that fits your brand and that can be easily customized to meet your specific needs. Consider the layout, the color, the typography, and the other design elements to ensure that they align with your brand. Don't forget for the responsiveness and browser compatibility check. In today's mobile first world, it's essential that your website is responsive and mobile friendly. Look for the themes that are optimized for mobile devices and that have a responsive design. Finally, consider the support and updates provided by the theme's developer. Look for a theme with good documentation and support options in case you run into any issues. Additionally, check the theme's update history to ensure that it is regularly updated to fix the bugs and new features. So, choosing the right WordPress theme is an important decision that can impact the success of your website. By following these steps and considering your website's needs and designs and customization options, sports and updates, you will be able to find the perfect theme for your website. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great e-commerce tips and tutorials.